Is your microphone not working? Then this is the video for you. On a side note, I want you to know that this guide works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now let's get into it. So you can start by going down here on the right side to sound settings. You open up sound settings and this is what you will see. Here is a master volume and down here is your input, your microphone. So you can see here my microphone is working, and here you probably have multiple alternatives to choose from. So you need to make sure you're using the right one, because if I were to choose this microphone for my headset, then nothing would happen. So now you know you need to have the right microphone as an input. The second step is go on to your settings, privacy, and then you click down here to the left on app permissions, microphone, and then you see here allow apps to access your microphone. So you need to have this on, because otherwise no apps will be able to use your microphone, which probably means like your microphone is not gonna work. And as an example for this, I'm just gonna take like Microsoft Teams here, turn that off. And now what's gonna happen here is if I join a Zoom call on Teams, I'm not gonna be able to talk to them. I'm just gonna be able to listen because my microphone's never gonna work. So you need to turn that on, and now it's gonna work. Simple as that. And I know, for example, Discord is one of the most usual voice chats people use. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this on Discord as well. So here I have my settings on Discord, and I want to go down here to the left, down to app settings, and you're gonna press voice and video here, and here you can see my output device and input device, my microphone here. So you have multiple options here as well. I could have chosen this one, not gonna work. You can check it as well, see if anything happens. Hello, hello, no. And then you press the one I want to have here. So obviously it's gonna work. So yeah, that's it. This is the tutorial, and if nothing of this is working, then you should probably check out if there's something wrong with your microphone. For example, you could try it on another computer to make sure that it's actually the microphone that's the problem and not the computer. But anyways, that was it for this video, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe. Don't miss out on the next ones.